In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator to a task in Asana. By the end, you'll confidently bring the right people into a task so they stay informed and can follow progress without changing who's responsible for completing it. First, open the specific Asana task where you want someone to follow along. You can get there from a project board or list, from your My Tasks view, or by using the search bar to find the task title. Once the task details panel is open, make sure you can see the full task description and fields on the right side of your screen. Next, look for the area labeled Collaborators or sometimes Followers. This section usually appears in the task details panel near the assignee and due date. You'll often see small profile images or initials for anyone already following the task, along with an option to add more people. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand the task details or scroll slightly to find it. Click Add Collaborator. This is typically a plus icon or a link right next to the current list of collaborators. Clicking it opens a field where you can search your workspace directory. Type the person's name or their email address. If they're part of your Asana workspace or organization, their name should appear as you type. Use the email field if the person hasn't interacted with your tasks before, or if multiple coworkers share similar names. Keep in mind that adding someone outside your organization may require that they have access to the workspace or project, depending on your admin settings. When the suggestions appear, select the correct person from the list. Double check their job title, team, or profile image if it's shown so you add the right collaborator. This ensures notifications reach the intended teammate and avoids confusion. Finally, save the task and confirm they've been added as a collaborator. In many cases, Asana saves changes automatically, but if you see a save option, click it. Look back at the collaborators or followers area and make sure the person's name or avatar now appears there. They'll receive updates when the task changes, comments are added, or the status is updated. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment or refresh your view to update the panel. That's it. You've successfully added a collaborator to your Asana task, keeping the right people informed while maintaining a clear assignee and ownership.